There's a question and we want to look at it together. Joe bought a radio for 800 Ghana cedis and sold it to Edem at a profit of 5%. Edem then sold it to Ezekiel at a loss of 5%. How much did Ezekiel pay for the radio? Let's jump straight into it. You need to be aware of what you need to do over here. That is, Joe bought a radio, he's selling it to another person. He's selling it and the other person buying. It is a cost price to one, it is a selling price to the other. So let's look at it. Joe's cost price here is 800 Ghana cedis. Then he sold it to them at a profit of 5% profit. So profit percent is 5. We know to find the selling price. Now profit percent, that's the formula for profit percent. This is selling price minus cost price all over cost price multiplied by 100. From the information we have, what is required here is the selling price. Because you need to determine how much Joe sold the radio to Edem. So our selling price is now equal to 100 plus profit percent all over 100 times our cost price. Let's do a substitution. This is 100. Our profit percent is 5 plus 5 all over 100 multiplied by our selling price, so our cost price of 800. From this, I have 105 over 100 multiplied by 800, and this is giving us 840, which means that Joe sold the radio to Edem for 840 Ghana cedis. Like I said earlier, you need to know that the selling price of Joe is now how much Edem is buying the radio for. So now Edem's cost price is 840. But for Edem, he made a loss after selling the radio. So we have been given the loss percent, which is 5. From this, since we are dealing with loss, then we had used a loss formula, which is loss percent is equal to our cost price minus our selling price all over cost price multiplied by 100. From this, we know the loss percent, we know the cost price, so what we need to be determining here is the selling price for Edem. Selling price for Edem. From the formula, we make selling price a subject. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent all over 100 times our cost price. So 100, since Edem made a loss of 5% minus 5 all over 100 times the cost price, which is 840. That is how much Edem bought the radio for. This is 95 over 100 times 840. From this, so this is giving us 798 Ghana cedis. Now this is a cost price to Joe, but to Edem. But the question is demanding how much Ezekiel paid for the radio. So from here, therefore, Ezekiel paid 798 Ghana cedis for the radio. Goodbye. Do follow us for more.